Alright, I don't know if I made a video on this thing yet, but this is one of those cheap eBay short shifter kits for the Evo platform. I got it installed a few weeks ago and then kind of just like set it there, but I just finished adjusting it. So I got all the links all adjusted and everything, and then the stops are now fully where they need to be. It feels really good. Obviously I can't drive it yet, so I won't really know how well it works. My only dilemma is I wanted to use the center console and it does not fit at all. This whole front section hits the center console piece. I was hoping to lower it because they include these spacers that are technically not needed, but well, they're not needed if you take out the front bolts in this thing for the ABS computer. Then you can just put it to the floor. The problem is I stripped one of the bolts out in the chassis, which is funny because the car itself, the front half is rust-free. You can see where it stops right there. So I'm not sure why the nut broke. So I gotta cut that off from the bottom when I do the drive shaft mounts. And then I'll probably just put a rib nut in. That'd be good enough. And then I'm hoping the lowering it will be enough for this to go on. If not, I will trim it a little bit. Because as much as this is going to be a, quote, race car, I don't want it to be a horrible driver on the street. Because I will be driving on the street every now and then. And I'll be driving it multiple hours to the track because I don't have a truck and a trailer. So until that becomes a thing, I'll be driving it to and from the track. So like to have some creature comforts. Still gonna have air conditioning, still gonna have the stereo and a decent set of speakers. It won't have a subwoofer though, but it'll have at least a decent stereo. I'm gonna put some sound deadening back in it, especially because the fuel cell will be right in the trunk, so you'll definitely hear the fuel pump. So my goal is to, I might even I'll have to look at rule sets and whatnot, and I'll try to put like some sound deadening material on the tank itself or something. So if you guys like these shorter videos, let me know. I plan to make a few different types of videos as well. I'm going to do a time lapse when we get the engine out. I was going to make a video on the turbo upgrade because I'm doing it myself. So I'll be taking the compressor wheel and turbine wheel out and upgrading those. So I was going to make a video of that. And then I was also going to make a video of 3D printing stuff. If people are trying to get into it and design stuff for their cars. That's my day job, is I'm a designer, a CAD designer. So I use a program on my phone called Polycam. It's for 3D scanning. And it gets the job like 75% done. That way, you know, it's perfect for like the car tinkerer that doesn't want to spend, you know, $500-600 on a 3D scanner. I'll show a picture at some point of what I've done with it so far, but yeah, it works great, and I'll make a video on how to use it and then like what I've made with it. So just let me know.